An image can improve the design and appearance of any web page. For adding pictures into web page means a lot. But when we are adding any types of pictures, any format, so we have to write down the image tag, right? But if we write image tag, let's run the button. So it's not working. What does it mean actually? So image tag is not working by itself. So in that case, we have to use a attribute. So here is an attribute called source, and this source and image.jpg, it means that the file have extension that is jpg format. So source is the attribute name, and this one is the attribute value, and obviously this one working. Let's run. Okay, so it's working. It means that there is somewhere a picture from source attribute taken that picture into the web page, right? And we can see image haven't got any closing tag. It means image is an empty tag. By the definition of empty tag, the tag haven't got any closing tag called the empty tag. So image tag is a empty tag. How it's actually working, this source attribute tag, right? Source attribute helps to specify the image's source. So as I said, there is source, say C drive or some other server somewhere the picture have reserved, and this source actually taken that picture into the web page, and the instruction of the web browser from which location it must fetch the particular picture. In other words, we can say the specify the path. So source attribute takes the path or URL in the value section, and obviously it come into the our final output in the web page, right? And as we see, the picture is very large, right? In that case, we have to write down, say width. This is another attribute, and of course we have to write down some value. Let's write down 250, and of course we have to write down height, and the value of height will be, let's say, 200, and let's see how it's look like. Let's click the run button, and of course this is a very small picture and we can see very clearly, and of course the web page, the output white section is clear and looks much better as before, right? Now there is one problem. You can say the picture is in left side, and of course the heading as well in the left side. So what to do? Let's do one thing. This winter coat, the heading should be in the middle, and of course the picture as well in the middle. So what we have to do? So as I said, all the tags have got attribute tag. In that case, obviously heading also have a attribute tag. So what we have to write down? Let's write down align, right? So align is an attribute tag, means where should be the line belongs to within the web page. So align means where it need to be, belongs to within the web page. Align, let's write down center, right? The value will be center. So let's click. So winter code, the winter code will be within the middle of the page, right? Same as if you like to write align center, and of course the image will jump into the middle. It's not working. Why it's not working? Let's try. So align center, here the attribute tag for image align center will not work, and it will deprecate it in HTML sometimes, right? So actually the image attribute tag, the align attribute, is set an image of an alignment relative to surrounding elements allowing horizontal or vertical positioning. In that case, if you like to write here the value, say left, right? So definitely the image will place at the left of the web page. Now, if you like to write here instead of left, obviously it is by default in left position. If it is right down in right position, so it will go on the right direction, right? And if we would like to write here middle, so it definitely coming in the middle position. It actually in a middle position because the image is very large compared to the website from here to here. So if it is in middle position, it means that it will it will accommodate within this region, but it actually not working. As I said, some value will be deprecated in HTML, and obviously for alignment of image only left and center is working.